ელენე, მოდი. აუხსენი ამას ბერძნულ, რატო ეს არის ჩვენი ტრადიციული ფორმა არის.
para los que solo
ამარ მეფე ატარებდა. ჩვენი მეფე ატარებდა ამ ფორმას.
Engem is vigyél el, s ha végleg kész, engem is vigyél el.
called Mythic.
Who is Mythic?
Figure.
There you
With the clear intention to mark the significance of epic illustration and to a centenary mark the anniversary of 100 of Serbian, yes, of the book of Serbian epic folk poems. I made this exhibition that includes illustrations from 1922 and illustration from contemporary artists from nowadays.
Yes.
I don't know what, sorry. So this project is a part of a broader project titled Theory of Illustration, which includes various types of exhibitions that are researching about history. Okay. So be free to look these illustrations that are very important for national identity for Serbian people.
Bravo.
Thematically, the exhibition highlights the shared historical legacy of the Serbian and Greek peoples in the context of epic poetry and its archetypes. Greek and Serbian traditions reveal profound similarities. Both cultures have developed majestic epic expressions celebrating the same values: honor, courage, love, and sacrifice. With the support of the Serbian Academy of Science and Arts Archive, in addition to the new illustrations, the exhibit includes prints from the original 1922 edition.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Greetings from Serbia.
Thank you. Yes, of course.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
The exhibit includes prints from the original 1922 edition.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Greetings from Serbia.
Thank you. Yes, of course.
Bye.
Thank you so much.